Doge's Palace, located in the enchanting city of Venice, is a remarkable architectural masterpiece that holds significant historical and cultural importance. Situated in St. Mark's Square, this iconic landmark has become synonymous with the city itself. When captured from a drone, the Doge's Palace reveals its stunning landscape amidst the picturesque cityscape of Venice. The aerial view showcases its intricate architecture, with Gothic and Renaissance elements blending seamlessly together. From above, one can appreciate the palace's strategic location at St. Mark's Square, Piazza San Marco, surrounded by other architectural wonders and bustling activity. Situated at the heart of Venice, overlooking the stunning Venetian lagoon, Doge's Palace offers visitors a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of Venetian rulers throughout centuries. The palace showcases a unique blend of Gothic and Renaissance architectural styles, with intricate details that leave visitors in awe.